Is the COVID vaccine safe? Let's see what the science says. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. A WebMD article quotes Paul Fit MD, FDA advisory panel, and he recommended the emergency use and says rigorous clinical trials of the shot identified no safety concerns despite its sped up production. The FDA even wanted tens of thousands of people followed for at least 2 months after receiving the final dosage and make sure there's no uncommon side effects. If you know me at all, you know I like to have at least 2 sources, so I checked PubMed and found this. Under the results section of the study, it said a total of 195 participants underwent randomization. BNT 162B2 was associated with a low incidence and severity of systemic reaction than BNT 162B1, which were the vaccines, particularly in older adults, but in both younger and older adults, the 2 vaccine candidates elicited similar dose-dependent SARS-CoV-2 neutralizing geometric mean titers, which were similar to or higher than the geometric mean titer of a panel of SARS-CoV-2 convalescent serum samples. I know there are a lot of conspiracy theories out there, but I assure you this virus is real, and my brother has it, and my friend Kat, who goes my patient with the COVID-19. It's a bad virus, respiratory, it's just awful. Wear your mask and be careful out there. I'm putting a couple videos next, so check those out. Let me know what you think. Are you getting the COVID vaccine? Comment below your answer, yes or no. Live longer, feel better, and life to your years. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit. So check those out.